So let's talk about how do you actually get bamboo. And yeah, so let's start with this. Bamboo seeds are not very effective. So I'm just gonna draw a seed here. What they look like, they're like that, and then I have a lot of experience with bamboo seeds. I got like probably 500 of them and tried growing bamboo, tons of different species, which kind of worked until they all died, and I only have a couple more left. So, bamboo seeds, there's like ways to propagate them, and we can go over that in another video, but basically there's bamboo seeds, or you buy it from a company, or so you just buy like a pot of bamboo from a company, which can be expensive, or you can just find someone with the bamboo grove that lives near you or something, and then you can like take off one of their branches. So those are the three ways really, and the only ways you can get bamboo. I don't know very many other ones besides that. Seeds, very hard to propagate, very hard to get going, very hard to get growing, I guess, and we can go over that in my experience with seeds in the next video, but buying from a plant is very good. This is very good too. Both these are very good, but when you're cutting off a limb like that, you do, like people say you do want to cut a little bit of the branch down. I don't, because I'm too, I wouldn't do that if I, because I don't like losing leaves and stuff, but you cut it down so it doesn't take away its nutrients as much, because it doesn't have very much roots, I guess, because it's still using stuff from the bigger plant. Ones in baskets, these ones are obviously the best. Very credible source to buy it from is Lewis Bamboo. If you haven't heard of them, they're on the internet. It's probably like the biggest company you'll find selling bamboo on the internet. They'll say the same things about seeds. They're not very effective, not very effective, not very effective. Don't waste your time with them. But if you do, then sure, go ahead, I guess. I mean, it's not that bad. It'll just take a long time. Take a very long time. They have a very low probability of actually growing. Most seeds are defective anyway. They don't work. And yeah, usually they don't grow. And that will be my next video, my experience with seeds. Bamboo seeds, because they are cheap. They're on the internet, and you can buy them from people, but they usually do not work very well. And the ones that do, don't really grow very good, and some will die. They're very hard to they're very hard. They're not like normal plants. They're not like pea plants where you put them in a bag and they grow. It's not like, the plastic bag method. It's not like that as much, because they're very sensitive, I guess. Very hard to water. We'll go over that in the next video. But anyway, these are the three ways recommended. But if you don't know anybody, move on to buying the plant, and then, yeah, and I don't know where you live. If you live in like Japan or China, you might as well go out and find some in a forest. That would be a great idea. And dig some up. But buying from a good place called Hardy Bamboo, Lewis Bamboo, if you're looking for a bamboo that you want, go to their thing, Lewis Bamboo, and you can find a good bamboo for you. Yeah, they're a great website. So that's probably it for how to get your hands on some bamboo to start growing it. 3 ways, really kind of 2 ways, I guess, if you don't know anybody. So yeah, that's it. Like the video and subscribe so you can get notifications for our new videos that come out about this topic, about bamboo.